Welcome students. Today I am going to our chapter 3 trigonometric functions. In the last I just completed two chapters, one of the set theory and second relational function. Students, in the trigonometric functions, here we studied there are 6 types of different trigonometric functions and their properties. I think you know that according to your 10th standard, there are 6 trigonometric functions: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, one of the cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. These all functions already known. Here sin is a reciprocal of cosec. Yes. Cos is a reciprocal of sec. Similarly, here 1 upon cot, either sin upon cos. Similarly, cosec is a 1 upon sin. Yes, sec theta is a 1 upon cos. And cot is a 1 upon tan. And cos upon sin also. This formula already known in the last year in 10th standard. Now students, here I am going to that properties related particular degree measure and in the radian measure. Now students, I continue to our plotting for your 4 quadrants. This x-axis positive, your x-axis negative, the y-axis positive and your y-axis negative. And here center, you know that it is origin. Yes. If I taking radius 1 unit up to that O to A distance, so definitely you can make one of the circle with radius 1. Yes. Radius 1 circle having this circle is ready. And this radius is also 1. So this point is a B. 0, 1 on the y-axis. Similarly, here radius 1, it is A dash point on negative x-axis. So minus 1, 0. Here A point 1, 0 because unit distance 1 from origin. Here also radius is 1, so it is 0, minus 1. Now, particular there are 4 quadrants. First quadrant here, students. It is second quadrant. There are third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Generally known, first quadrant is a positive because x-axis first indicate and y-axis second indicate. Here x negative and y positive. So this quadrant is negative positive. Yes. Similarly, negative and last positive negative. This also study you know. Now students, this unit circle, I plot these trigonometric parts one by one. This first point is indicate always cos theta and sin theta is the second point. Always cos theta, it is a real axis plotting. X axis is a real axis and y axis is an imaginary axis. So imaginary axis plotting the sin theta. Similarly here, one of the cos theta first, second sin theta. Same as here, cos theta, sin theta. Similarly here, cos theta first will indicate, second will indicate sin theta, and last of the cos theta same, first and second is sin theta. So students, here utilize this plotting, this degree measure, and I now explain to our radian measure. And these values define positive or negative sides one by one. So I just draw the one of the table. You also draw properly table in your notebook related our functions and 4 quadrant. Yes. Here your function. Function are there. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec and cot theta. And here I go to our first quadrant. Same as second quadrant. Similarly here third quadrant. And last of our fourth quadrant. Students, here I define particular the all sign one by one utilize this symbolically. So first I go to first quadrant. In the first quadrant sin theta is a positive. So here I show out it is a positive value. Same as sin. Look at that, second quadrant is positive. In third quadrant sin theta is a negative. In fourth quadrant sin theta is also negative. Similarly, check sin and cosine is a reciprocal, and reciprocal have symbol same. It is positive because one by positive, one by positive, one by negative, and one by negative. So sin and cosine both are same symbol. Now I go to cos theta. What is cos theta in first quadrant? It is a positive value because here plus. So it is plus value. In second quadrant cos theta, negative. Third quadrant, negative. And fourth quadrant cos theta, it is a positive. And reciprocal of cos, it is set. You know that this one. So this reciprocal same plus, minus, minus, and plus. Students, in this chapter, a very big chapter, and many points are given. Utilize this unit circle. So I only explain one point individually. Now tan theta formula you know, sin by cos. Yes, it means this upon this. It means plus upon plus. It is plus. Plus upon minus. It is minus. Minus upon minus. It is plus. And minus upon plus. It is minus. And cot theta is a reciprocal of tan. These are reciprocal. So this symbol is same. Plus to plus, minus to minus, plus to plus, and minus to minus. It means, students, here I derive one of the shortcut formula. Shortcut formula, just I told, all SEC. Just to by heart, after school to college. Yes, after school to college is a shortcut, but actually all means, look at that, these all are positive in this first quadrant. So here I reading all. So easily by heart this table. Second, S means what? Sin positive, look at that, and cosec positive. S indicate what? Sin positive, cosec positive, other are negative. Check, other are negative. Now T means tan positive and cot positive, other are negative. And C means, this C means, indicate cos theta and sec theta positive. Check. It is cos theta positive and sec theta positive, other are negative. So you by heart this shortcut formula, all STC, either I reading after school to college. This return value is a positive, other value negative. So this full table you easily understood by shortcut way. All means all function positive in first quadrant. S means sin and cosine positive, other are negative. T means tan positive, cot positive, other are negative. And C means cos positive, sec positive, other are negative. So you easily by heart this table. Now I am going to point number 2 related this our circle. Now students, after ending this all STC after school to college, I am going to now degree measure and radial measure. So first of all, students, can you just thinking about circle, circumference? Yes. What is the circumference of circle? Yes, it is 2 pi r. So circumference of circle, it is 2 pi r. Students, now I explain new point. After ending one table, now I go to degree measure and radian measure. So first of all, introduction to our circumference of circle 2 pi r, and I taking radius. How many? 1 unit. So here 1. So our circumference of circle is what? 2 pi. You know that how many degree cover at a one rotation of a circle? Yes, it is 360 degree. So one rotation is equal to 360 degree. And one rotation cover to over how many circles of the circumference? One. So I just apply 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. It means this cancel. 1 pi is equal to 180 degree. Yes, the 1 pi is equal to our 180 degree. And then after that I start our 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. This is our radian measure. Yes, that's our first part ending to 1 degree. So students, here 1 degree is indicate pi by 180 radian. 1 degree means students this one. Here 0 degree. Here 1 degree. Same as 2 degree. Same as 3 degree. That I going to up to as here our 90 degree. Now 91 degree, 92 degree. Same is going up to here 180 degree. Next our 181 degree, 182 degree. Same here. It is a 270 degree. 90 addition. Now 271 degree, 272 degree. That over that here after rotation is 360 degree. And one rotation is finished. Students, here I explain you in the anti-clockwise rotation. These are anti-clockwise. Clockwise rotation, after that I explain you. There are the two parts. First of all, anti-clockwise I go in. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. This is your 1 degree. So same as if I cover 90 degree. So 90 into pi by 180 radian. It means students, this answer is how many? Pi by 2 radian. So this 90 is also reading that it is pi by 2. Similarly, I just explain you if you 180 degree, already told here, but I apply 180 to pi by 180. It is pi radian. Same as here I go into 270 degree. Yes. If you 270 degree calculate, so 270 into pi by 180. After cutting, there are 3 pi by 2 radian. Here 3 pi radian. And if you 2 pi, then already I written here 360 degree. It is 2 pi. Don't worry, other also drawing I draw after that. But these are indicate if you here middle point is 45 degree. So you also cover here 45 degree. 45 into pi by 180 degree. I mean radian. It is pi by 4. Similarly also other degree available 30 degree, 60 degree. If I calculate 30 degree, so pi by 6 radian. Same is into 60 degree. It is pi by 3 radian. So finally, this 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian by heart. Now I show out to our degree measure in clockwise and anti-clockwise circulations one by one. So students, I only explain now this degree to anti-clockwise first. Here shortcut I write down all as TC. I think I clearly know, you just understood this point. All as TC after school to college is the first step. Here 0 degree. I start the rotation anti-clockwise. These are anti-clockwise. After that I explain you clockwise. Here 90 degree, pi by 2. Here 180 degree, pi. 270 degree, 3 pi by 2. And one rotation over. Here how many? It is a 2 pi. If you one rotation finish there. Now if you rotation added 2 pi plus pi by 2, surely it is next point is that our 3 pi by, I mean pi by 2. Next here 3 pi. Next here 7 pi by 2. And after if you one more rotation completed, here get to 4 pi. Means you rotate to rotate by infinity ways. Rotate to rotate, rotate to rotate, rotate to rotate, rotate to rotate. Continue moving. So it is cover infinity to 6 pi now. Here 8 pi, 10 pi, move ahead. Similarly here also 5 pi, 7 pi, continue moving. This also 5 by 2, 5 pi by 2, next 9 pi by 2, next 4 and this 13 pi by 2. These are 4 way going increasing. And this also 7 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, now 11 pi by 2. Next then after 4 adding 15 pi by 2. I think students you think about how can sir is written here 5 pi by 2. So don't worry, I clear your doubts. 2 pi 98, then you getting 5 pi by 2. Check here 2 pi plus 90. Every time I adding 90, 90 and 90. So 4 pi plus 5. It is 5 pi by 2. If you 5 pi by 2 added 90, then how many? Yes, it is 3 pi. This one. If you 3 pi plus again 98, check. 3 pi plus again 98. So 3 to the 6 plus 1. It is 7 pi by 2. So it is 90, 90 adding. These all are our anti-clockwise rotation. And these values always first value is cos theta, second value is sin theta. According to pointwise. Yes. Now students, this full drawing I explain to clockwise rotation. And this clockwise rotation I show out to our next figure. It's very easy. Same rotations. Here changing only for the directions. Similarly, here x-axis, origin, y-axis, x dash and y dash. Now, students, now I rotate to clockwise. It means our circle, this is a circle, unit circle only. This side rotation, this way. It is a clockwise rotation. Degree same, first 0 degree. Here minus 1 degree. Next minus 2 degree. Next minus 3 degree. Whenever you check your rotation to clockwise, degree taking must be negative. Similarly here minus 90, either you write down minus pi by 2. Same as here minus 180, either write down minus pi. Same as here written minus 270, either written minus 3 pi by 2. Both degree and radian both are written. After ending this rotation, here one round over, it is a minus 360 degree, either minus 2 pi. And if you rotate infinity ways, this second rotation also start. Here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, to clockwise rotation. Similarly, this degree is increasing, minus 2 pi, minus 4 pi, minus 6 pi, same here, minus 3 pi, minus 5 pi, minus 7 pi. Check this drawing and this drawing same. Only minus symbol extra. Here also minus 3 pi by 2. Next one, 4 addition, minus 7 pi by 2. Next, minus 11 pi by 2. Moving ahead infinity ways, here also, minus 3 pi by 2. Sorry, minus pi by 2. Next, minus 5 pi by 2. Next, minus 9 pi by 2. Same as moving ahead. And here also, meaning is same, all as TC structure, same application to our quadrant wise. Students, it is only 1% explanation. Don't worry, I am going slowly again to degree measure and radian measure explanations. Okay, so properly understanding, I hope you understood it is a clockwise and that is a anti-clockwise rotations. Now students, I move ahead one more nearest point to explanations. Same is students, this is your circle. Clearly known, it is a x-axis. y-axis, and here origin 90 degree. Now I am going to particularly radian measure explanations. So if I draw here one of the ray P A B, this value, if this length is 1 unit, so surely it is 1 radian. This unit circle is 1. Same as if your circle is covered to according to origin, this value and this part, if I taking here 1.5, this part is also 1.5 length. If you making the circle to utilize your rounder, and this length of arc, it is length of arc is a PB, and here center O. So this if you 1.5 in it, then this also 1.5 our radian measure. Same as I am going to our negative sides. Consider this way if you going below the x-axis, it is your minus power, minus 1 radian, and this arc is also here. This to this length is your minus 1 radian. Arc is 1, but it is going to which side? Negative of x-axis. So you are minus 1 radian. This length of power. Similarly, if you same as going to downwards, maybe this length is a 1.5 radian. So this degree is you cover minus 1.5 degree, because you rotate which side? Clockwise. This is a clockwise, but this is a anti-clockwise. Upper way you going. This is a upper way you going. So anti-clockwise rotation always take positive, and clockwise rotation always take negative. Now continue by going to 1 degree pi by 180 radian. Just I explained you in the previous part. Here just I convert to now this radian to degree. So how many? 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Just by making cross multiply. Yes. So 180 degree, pi is I taking 22 by 7. So 180 into 7 by 22, this full part I am taking in the one of the degree measure. So that's why I converted radian into degree. So this cancellation 92 are here 11 2s are 7 9s are 63, 630 by 11 here degree. And now students 630 by 11. Utilize your calci and easily say its value. Its value is students 57.33 near about. So I am taking here 57. Here integer is 11 and properly see here this divided value 57.33 approx. 57 here taking 11 divide. Now 11 to 57. Surely it is a 627. Here 3 is remaining. Now 57 degree conformly separate. Now degree convert to now minute. 3 by 11 into 60 minute. Because here 1 degree into 60 minute cover. Because one rotation completed there. So here 3 by 11 into 60 minutes. So 57 degree. Here 180 by 11 minute, and this also you converted using calci either division of 180 by 11. It is students near about 16.36. I taking 16 separate. So 57 degree, here 16 integer to 11. Now 11 and 16. I hope it is 176. And here 4 remaining. Here minute. So this further calculations after moving that, it is 1 radian is equal to 57 degree plus 16 minute plus, now minute converting into 60 second. Second indicate here double line and single line indicate minute. So here 57 degree, 16 minute, and here 6 fours are 240 by 11 second. Now students, using calculator, 240 by 11 calculate. It is students are now 240 by 11 is near about 21.8181. So I just write down 57 degree, 16 minute, and round figure 22 second. So 1 radian here over 57 degree, 16 minute, and 22 second. It means students 1 radian is higher than 1 degree is 57 times. So 1 radian always greater than to 1 degree. So degree measure is different and radian measure is different. Students, it is your calculation for 1 radian I calculate. After that now I start 2 radian, 3 radian, 4 radian, 5 radian, 6 radian. Already given in your textbook. Now I start our one little points to our textbook example. Example number 1. Convert 40 degree 20 minutes into our radian measure. Yes students, 40 degree 20 minutes you just translate into here 20 not 20. So first of all students, I convert fully in degree 40 and 20 minutes. So can I write here 40 degree plus 20 minutes? Yes, 20 minutes it is nothing, 20 by 60 degree, because 1 degree you translate to 60 minutes. So convert it divided by degree, this cancel. So 40 degree plus 1 by 3 degree, both join 40 plus 1/3 degree. It means 420 plus 1. It is 120 plus 1. Finally, how many? 120 by 3 degree. It is value for 40 degree 20 minutes. Now I converted into our radian measure. Yes, therefore 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. It means students 1 radian equal to how many? 180 by pi. But here degree measure given. So directly I write down therefore 40 degree 21 minutes is equal to 121 by 3 degree is equal to how many? 121 by 3 into pi by 180 our radian. And here our finished question. 121 pi by 18 threes are 540. These are our radian. I just translate our given question 40 degree 20 minutes in this form. And here easy done. Now students, I go into example 2. Convert 6 radian into degree measure. Just like previous numerical I explained you. 1 radian into degree. Yes, 57 degree, 16 minute and our 22 second. Same as here I explained 6 radian. Students, this 6 radian I translated. So it's very easy. This property is here online. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So, how many 1 radian? 180 by pi degree. It means 6 radian is a 6 into 180 by pi, our degree measure. Now I slowly explanation. 6, 180, 22 by 7 and this degree. So 6 into 180 into 7 by 22. And just here students, simply cutting. Here 92s are, 11 2s are, and these are totally product value. This 6 into 90, 540 into 7, and these are one of the product value known. Students, these are now product value applied 2 with 11, divide same. Here 0 first. 7 4s are 28, 2 carry, 7 5s are 35, 36 and 37. So 3780 by 11 degree, these are our values. Now I translate it up to minute and second. So what do you get? 6 radian? 3780 by 11 degree, and this you divided by using your simple calculation. So I think students, this division is done. It is 343.6363 near about. So I just write down here 343. 11 is divisible, and here some degree available. So 11 into 343, if you calculate, surely it is 3780. 3 ones are 3. 7 is left. Yes, 7 is left. It's 3733. And divided by 0, multiply 11 and 7, it is 3780. 3 ones are 3 and 7, it is 10. So I just calculate 343 degree and 7 by 11 into 60 minutes. So further calculate. Similarly, yes, 7 6 are 42. 420 by 11 minutes. Same divided using calculation, and you can get one of the division values. Here some 240 by 11. So I hope students you calculate it is a 420 by 11. It is near about 38.18. So I just write down here 38, 11. Now 11 into 38 is surely 420 and 8 ones are 8. It means 2 left. Yes. So finally you getting 343 degree, 38 minute and 2 by 11 into 60 second. So 343 degree, 38 minute and 120 by 11 second. And this also you calculate using our calculation. So it is a students division value 10.90. Approximately it is 11. So I just write down here 343 degree, 38 minute and 11 second. Finally 6 radian is done. 343 degree, 38 minute and 11 second. This our degree measure converting into our radian. So students, here you try itself. Here extra questions for your more practice. 1 radian. Students, radian is also written 1 raised to c. Here also written is 6 raised to c. Next 2 radian, 3 radian, 4 radian, 5 radian, 6 radian, 7 radian. Each 9 and 10 radian. You try to for your more practice. I just explain you 1 radian and 6 radian. Here, other you try itself. Yes. This value is also mainly given in negative. Sometimes here minus 6 radian. So here minus. All answer is minus. So all answer if you just write down minus, nothing there. Here minus, last answer. If you given negative questions there minus 6 radian, then yes students. Now here only one topic I completed here students. It is a many topics in this trigonometric functions. So don't worry about that. I explain you again our unit circle in the next part. Okay? And this is the main point. Only I explain today our degree and radian measure. After that I again to explaining our one more part. Okay? Bye bye. See you.